so I'm no longer using my real voice. So yeah, that's all. So now what? Wait, no.